southwestern Warren, Indiana, southwestern Spencer County in southwestern Indiana, east central Vanderburgh County in southwestern Indiana, eastern Henderson County in northwestern Kentucky, Davis County in northwestestern Kentucky until 5:30 p.m. At 4:53 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. A trained spotter reported 40 to 60 miles per hour wind gusts occasionally in Vanderburgh County. Severe weather has been confirmed by trained spotters. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Evansville, Owensboro, Boonville, Newburgh, Chandler, Rockport, Melody Hill, Grandview, Whitesville, Knoxville, St. Joseph, Masonville, Stanley, Eureka, Christmas, Mosleyville, and Edwardsville. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following counties in Indiana: Spencer, Vanderburgh, and Warren, and the following counties in Kentucky: Davis and Henderson. The National Weather Service issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Warren County and southwestern Indiana, southwestern Spencer County, southwestern Indiana, east central Vanderburgh County and southwestern Indiana, eastern Henderson County. The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a flash flood warning for Warwick County in southwestern Indiana, Vanderburgh County in southwestern Indiana until 11 p.m. Friday. At 4:54 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Rainfall rates of 0.6 inches have been reported in a 10-minute period. Some locations that will experience flooding include Newburgh, Chandler, Melody Hill, Darmstadt, Linville, Casson, Folsomville, Elberfeld, and Tennyson. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 11 p.m. for the following counties in Indiana, Vanderburgh, and Warwick. Taking a look at your 7